Hey everybody, welcome to the hangar deck. Let me get my finger out of the way. I just wanted to do a quick video this evening on a little thing I do on the aircraft that I build. I build mostly 148 scale. Sometimes, occasionally, I will build 172, but that's very rare. And I wanted to show you a technique that I do. It's very easy on 148. It would be even easier on 172, and it works really well and it looks good. So here a few years back, I bought a lot of this craft tape, and I've got some that is about 2 millimeter wide and some that's 4 millimeters wide. Comes in a variety of colors. Some of them are insanely bright and some of them are kind of subdued. And I use it primarily for taping off areas I'm going to paint. A lot of times I'll tape off a line of demarcation and then put some painter's tape on a piece of paper and slap that right there on that thin layer of tape. Works really great. Haven't had really any issues with bleed through, but that's not what this video is about. I also do seat belts. So here's a 148 scale JU-88 cockpit, and I made the seat belts for all three seats: pilot seat, bomber navigator, and radio gunner. And it is just purely strips of that tape cut thin. Now here's the tape laying on my cutting board, and I would just take and lay my ruler down, and with my free hand cut the strip, then cut it to length and just tape it right onto the chair. And then last night, before I finished up, I took some dull coat and I use this Duracoat or Duraclear matte varnish finish and just painted that right onto the seat. Of course, the seat was already I'd already put the silver on the seat for the wear marks and things like that. So that's your tip for this evening. If you want to make seat belts that are pretty down and dirty, and they just, they give you the illusion of seat belts in the chair. I think they just look better than just empty seats or chairs without seat belts. I just really like them. Now, some of you guys out there may say, hey, that's not what the seatbelts look like in a JU-88. Well, see, that's where you're wrong. That's what they look like in my JU-88. So, as Max of Max's models would say, make it the way you want it to be and model on. Thank you guys for tuning in to the Hangar Deck. Like and subscribe. See ya.